Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting next on our EURJPY. Let's start with our trend on EURJPY. So clearly we are in an uptrend move. This is our high, which is our impulsive move. Within this impulsive move, we are having a series of higher high and higher low. And here comes the pullback phase. This is also the impulsive move, which is a new higher high. Then here comes the pullback phase. And here is the impulsive move, which is a new higher high, pullback, new high, pullback, new high. So we should be expecting a little bit of a push up before we can start with expecting the pullback phase. So be very careful, especially for those of you that are in the buy. The pullback will be playing anytime soon. So I think it will be the best time to actually start opting out of your trade on EURJPY if you are long. Now take a look at this. Market is likely to give us one more pullback, then push up again. Even eventually, market also has a possibility of dropping, which I don't think it is playing right now. But if in case it will start doing that, I'll give you guys the update. So you just have to subscribe to stay updated and also follow the Telegram. You'll find a link to the Telegram channel section.